If you live in a community that's managed by a homeowners association, or HOA, it's important to know how the budget works. The HOA budget determines how much money is collected from homeowners and how it's spent on the community's maintenance and operations. There are key components of an HOA budget, including income sources, expenses, and reserves. An HOA budget starts with the income sources, which are the various ways the HOA collects money from homeowners. The most common source of income is the annual HOA fee or assessment, which is paid by all homeowners to cover the community's expenses. The amount of the HOA fee is typically based on the community's needs and can vary depending on the size and complexity of the community. Other sources of income may include fines, interest on investments, or rental income from community facilities. Once the HOA has determined its income sources, the next step is to allocate those funds towards expenses. Expenses are the various costs associated with running and maintaining the community. Some common expenses may include landscaping, pool maintenance, repairs, insurance, legal fees, and management fees. In addition, the HOA may also allocate funds towards special projects, such as community events, capital investments, or renovations. In addition to income sources and expenses, HOAs must also consider reserves. Reserves are funds set aside for long-term maintenance and repairs. These funds are essential to ensure that the community is properly maintained and that homeowners do not face sudden or unexpected expenses. Reserve funds are typically allocated towards major repairs or replacements of common area elements, such as roofs, sidewalks, or community buildings. Understanding the basics of HOA budgeting is essential for homeowners living in a community managed by an HOA. By knowing how the budget works, homeowners can have a better understanding of how their HOA fees are being spent and can work with the HOA to ensure that their community is properly maintained. Remember that the HOA budget is an ongoing process, and homeowners should stay informed and engaged in the budgeting process to ensure that their community remains a desirable place to live.